everyone, welcome back to our channel. As you know, it is the starting of the holiest month in Islam called Ramadan. Let us tell you about what Ramadan is. Ramadan is the month where Muslims do not drink or eat anything from sunrise to sunset, and they sacrifice their needs to Allah. During your fast, you should not do any bad things like lying,
bully or hurt someone,
and not yelling at others. During Ramadan, if you pray, you will get double rewards from Allah.
Today we are going to make a Ramadan banner.
The materials we need are white construction paper, black construction paper, golden fabric paper, black paper, and some LED light string.
And here's some mini colored clothespins. We're gonna have golden paint. We're gonna have some transparent or clear glue. We're gonna have a paintbrush, a pencil. We're gonna have big scissors and a small scissors.
We are gonna first make our lanterns. Take your black paper and fold it in half. Then in the middle you need to cut it. I already cut it, a few of them. The paper that I cut it, I will paint small dots with golden paint in a straight line. Follow the same step and then let it dry. The paper that we painted with golden paint got dried, and now we are going to cut it. We cutted the paper. Now we are going to fold it and connect the edges. You can tape it or glue it. And now we're gonna cut a small piece of paper into a line, and then we're gonna tape it. Look at our lanterns! Aren't they so cool?
Yeah, they're awesome.
We are going to make our banner saying Ramadan Mubarak. First, with our pencil, we are going to write Ramadan Mubarak, then we are going to cut it and then trace it onto our golden fabric paper. We are done cutting and tracing our letters. Now we are going to glue it onto our construction paper, which is the shape of a mosque. We've also already attached a few. done making all of our decorations. Now we are going to attach it to our LED lights. We are done with our banner. As you can see, we hang it with our LED lights. We also have a letter board, and we are going to use it to count the days of Ramadan.
Let us check how our banners are looking.
Whoa, it looks so cool, right, Ayat?
Yeah, it has a moon and stars.
And it even has lanterns.
I know.
It has golden string. Whoa. I hope you guys like our decorations. Ramadan Mubarak to all of you once again.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Thanks for watching. Bye.